Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track your Depop orders. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, we have the search bar, as you can see, where you can go and search for anything that you would like. In the top right corner, we have the sell now. We have the, of course, messages. We have the likes. And here we have your profile, selling hub, purchases, settings, and the logout option. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and track your Depop orders. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these 3 steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to track your orders, of course, you will need to go and, of course, check the order confirmation email on or the store's order page for the tracking number provided by Depop. When you have done that, go to all sold items. So you can go to the top right corner, click on your selling hub. And here you can go, of course, when of course it loads, just a second. So go to your profile. Here we have the selling and you have your selling hub. Then go to all sold items and select your relevant transaction to view your sales receipt and the option to view your shipping label. Use the POP shipping label via the USPS for fully tracked services, or arrange tracked shipping yourself for a third-party service. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.